If you're entering an uncertain situation where you have some concern for your own safety, like walking in an area where you've never been before, or going to a party where you don't know everyone, you can schedule a safety check. When you schedule a safety check, your phone will check on you at a set time. And if you don't confirm that you're safe, your emergency contacts will be notified and can view your real-time location. Before you use Safety Check, make sure you allow the Personal Safety app to use your location. To change your location permissions, open your Settings app and tap Location. Turn on Use Location. Then, tap App Location Permissions. Tap Personal Safety and select a Location Access option. To turn on Safety Check, from the home screen, swipe up to see all of your apps. Tap Safety. Tap Safety Check. Select your reason and duration. At the bottom right, tap Next. Select which contact or contacts you want notified if you miss the safety check. By default, all of your emergency contacts are selected. Tap Start. To stop safety check, tap Stop. If you need emergency help but have no cell service or Wi-Fi coverage, you can use Satellite SOS to get assistance. First, call 911. Tap the Satellite SOS icon. Tap Start. Follow the on-screen prompts to report your emergency.